Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you our fin press machine factory, and now you can follow me to visit our workshop. This is our decoiler making area, raw material area. These are machining machines, so all the parts are made by ourselves. Storage place for outsourced components, wire cutting machine for some special parts, painting workshop, and this is our testing area. Our machine has a max speed of 180 SPM, and it can be one coil type or several coil types. We can customize for our customer. You're welcome.